Good morning. My name is Attorney Robert Geller. I am a consumer bankruptcy attorney in the Tampa Bay area, and I want to talk to you today a little bit about the stimulus package and how the stimulus package may affect the bankruptcy laws and if you have a pending bankruptcy case. If you need bankruptcy services or if you need to contact our law firm for any reason, um, if you are a client, please contact our law firm by emailing us at clientservice@robertgellerlaw.com, or if you want to call our office and you're a client, dial 813-405-1507. If you are not a client and have questions about the bankruptcy process or need our services, please reach out to us at info@robertgellerlaw.com, or you can call us at 813-405-1509. Of course, there's plenty of information on our firm's website. That is attorneyfortampabay.com. And if you want, you are welcome to contact our office, and we would be glad to give you a free copy of a book I wrote about the bankruptcy law called Bankruptcy, Your Bridge to a Brighter Future. We can mail you an actual hard copy or send you a PDF, whatever you would like. All right, so let me talk a little bit about the stimulus package, and then I want to talk a little bit about how the stimulus package may impact the bankruptcy or your bankruptcy case. So there are basically three components to the stimulus package for most people. The first component is that if you make less than $75,000, you file your tax returns, you will get $1,200 per adult in your household. If you're a married couple, you'll get $150,000. If you have children, you'll get an additional $500 per child as long as the child is 16 or under. Once you make over $150,000, the amount you get goes down according to the package. So that's one part of the stimulus package, the money you're going to get. Of course, I believe if the IRS has your address, they'll mail you a check. If they have your bank account, I think that they will deposit the money directly into your bank account. I think you're going to get that money in the next 3 or so weeks. So that's the first part. Second part of the stimulus package is unemployment benefits. If you have suffered an unfortunate loss of your employment or a reduction in your employment, you are entitled to unemployment benefits. And I believe the maximum in Florida is $275 per week. Under the stimulus package, I think you'd be entitled to up to an additional $600 per week in unemployment benefits. So I would highly encourage you, if you've had any reduction in income or loss of employment, to apply for unemployment benefits as soon as possible. The third thing that is a major part of the stimulus package for most of you out there is, or not most of you, but some of you, is, especially if you've been a former client, is the business loan. So if you are in business and have suffered a reduction in your business and want to maintain your business, there are SBA loans out there that have very low interest. I think it's 0.5%, and you can borrow from the SBA money to maintain your payroll and to maintain your rent. I think, in fact, and I'm not an expert on these loans, I've been looking into it, you can even get forgiveness of the loan if you are in business and if you use those for payroll or for rent. Check with a professional about that. Okay, so next thing I wanted to talk about briefly is how the stimulus package or stimulus money can affect your bankruptcy. Well, first of all, if you've already filed a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you're going to get this stimulus money, I don't think you have anything to worry about. If you are going to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, as I said earlier, you may get that money in the next 3 weeks. I would suggest that you wait for, you first get the stimulus money, use it for your normal monthly living expenses, and then file the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If you're considering filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, again, wait till you get the money. You may want to wait till you get the money at least, depending on your situation. Some need to file immediately to stop a foreclosure or their garnishment or something like that. We can deal with that. We can deal with you getting the money after you file. But if you're just waiting to file the 13, you might want to wait until after you get that stimulus money. If you are already in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and you get the stimulus money, I'm not really sure how your trustee will treat that money. Some courts, I understand, are letting you pay that money back over the life of your plan. I don't know how aggressive or how unsympathetic your trustees will be about you keeping that money. It remains to be seen. I've talked to a couple of clients about that already, and we will just wait and see. But that money might be what's considered to be property of the estate, and it may have to get paid back if you're in a currently pending Chapter 13 case. The other thing I have been dealing a lot with is clients who are in Chapter 13s who have suffered a reduction in their income and want to know what's going on with the bankruptcy court about that. Well, I can tell you that different courts are doing different things. And what I mean by that is I've heard that courts in Texas are just allowing you to skip 3 payments. I know that the Jacksonville court is allowing people to have a reduction by filing a very simple document. Our main filings are in the Middle District, the Tampa Division, which covers anywhere between Hernando County all the way south to Hardy County, which is about a 100-mile radius, and then the other part of that division is the Fort Myers Division, which goes all the way down to Naples. I don't think the judges have made any set decision as to how they're going to allow people to change their cases if they've suffered a reduction of income. The only thing I can say is that under the stimulus package, there is an allowance to potentially extend your plan for 84 months. Generally, the most you can be in a plan for is 60 months. Of course, the sooner you are done with your plan, the sooner you can get back into rebuilding your credit. So that's just kind of some information as to how the stimulus package impacts the bankruptcy law. If you have any questions about bankruptcy, or if you're a current client, again, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Attorney Robert Geller. Again, if you are a client, email us at info@robertgeller. I'm sorry. If you're a client, email us at clientservice@robertgellerlaw.com or call us at 405-1507, area code 813. If you're not a client and you have some questions about the bankruptcy laws, and, quite frankly, we're all at home right now. Why not maybe consider using some of that stimulus money to file a bankruptcy? If you have a lot of debt out there, you need service, and may be something to consider. But if you are at home and you're considering filing bankruptcy, again, please reach out to us at info@robertgellerlaw.com or give us a call at 813-405-1509. And just a couple other things. We are now doing video consultations or phone consultations to make everything convenient. We are doing everything remotely, so you can potentially hire our firm remotely without even leaving your home, sign your bankruptcy remotely in the comfort of your home, and in fact, even going to a court now, 341 meetings are by telephone. So it may be even easier for you to file bankruptcy. Thank you. I hope that this video finds you and your family healthy.